We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with a comprehensive expert overview of the Hotdot rechargeable hand warmers, a popular choice for staying warm during cold weather. These hand warmers come in a 2-pack with a stylish gift box, making them not only practical, but also a thoughtful gift option for occasions like birthdays, Valentine's Day, Christmas, or New Year. The design is sleek with a comfortable grip and an aluminum body that feels sturdy, yet lightweight in hand. The packaging adds a festive touch, and the inclusion of thermochromic cards allows users to write personalized messages that appear when the warmer heats up, adding a unique and heartwarming element. Performance-wise, these hand warmers impress with their fast heating capability, reaching warmth in just 1 second. They offer 3 temperature levels ranging from 104 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, controlled easily with a single button. The LED display clearly shows both the current temperature setting and battery level, which is a helpful feature for managing usage throughout the day. Powered by a 6,400 mAh battery, they provide continuous warmth for up to 20 hours, depending on the heat setting. Many users have noted that even on the lowest setting, the warmth is sufficient to keep hands comfortable in freezing conditions, and the battery life is reliable enough to last through extended outdoor activities. The hand warmers are compact and fit well inside gloves or pockets, making them convenient for activities like skiing, hunting, camping, hiking, or simply walking outdoors in cold weather. Their lightweight and smooth finish contribute to comfort during use, and the absence of magnets reduces weight, which some users appreciate. Charging is straightforward with the included USB cable that supports charging both units simultaneously through 2 ports. Although a charging block is not included, so users must supply their own. Charging time is around 3.5 hours, which is reasonable given the battery capacity. Users have praised the product for its practicality and effectiveness, with many reporting that the hand warmers kept their hands toasty even in very cold and windy conditions. The smart AI temperature control chip ensures consistent warmth without overheating, providing safe and stable heat. This makes the product suitable for a wide range of users, including those with cold sensitivity or those needing heat therapy. The device's versatility extends to indoor use as well, where it can help warm cold hands or even be placed in a shirt pocket to provide chest warmth. Customer service has also received positive remarks. In cases where one unit did not function properly, the company responded promptly and sent replacements quickly, which reflects well on their support and warranty policy. However, there have been some isolated reports of units arriving with visible scratches or signs of use, which affected the initial impression of quality control. Despite this, the overall performance remained strong, and users still recommend the product for its effectiveness. One minor drawback noted by users is the absence of wrist lanyards, although the devices have slots to attach them. This feature would enhance usability by allowing users to secure the warmers to their wrists during activities where hands need to be free. The product's size is well suited for medium hands, and the ergonomic design makes it easy to hold or carry around. In summary, the Hotdot rechargeable hand warmers are a reliable, stylish, and practical solution for cold weather. They combine fast heating, long battery life, adjustable temperature settings, and a user-friendly interface with thoughtful extras like thermochromic cards and festive packaging. Whether for personal use or as a gift, these hand warmers deliver consistent warmth and comfort. We encourage anyone who owns or tries this product to leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for purchase.